the back, which giraffe is this one?
I don't know, a giraffe.
You don't know.
It's a
How many
giraffe.
species do we have here in Nairobi National Park?
I don't know, it's a giraffe.
Yeah, but we have 3 species. We have Maasai giraffe, we have Rothschild, and then we have legislator. Yeah. But if you go to
I know close
giraffe
to the
center,
dead one.
you're going to find Rothschild. But they have white socks in their legs. Pasana. Nini?
There's a snake.
I don't have the right lens on. I have to put a smaller lens on.
Don't run him over.
He's moving to the side so you can get better pictures.
No, he's on my side.
Can this eat little children?
Yeah, this one can swallow something.
Gerda, we're sacrificing you.
No, I'm not.
Well, you're on the side of his mouth.
I'm sitting in the middle.
On the container?
This way.
It's a very long snake. This is my first time I've ever seen a snake.
It's got to be about as tall as mom, or as long as mom is tall. Might be longer. If you need me to move out of the way so you can get closer, let me know. Hang out the window or whatever.
I think he's waiting to eat us.
I'm kind of curious. He's just sitting there. Why is he?
That's some nice pictures.
Oh, now he's
Doesn't
moving.
understand that the road is dangerous.
Well, you're sitting here.
Okay, we're just stopping until the snake goes.
He's fully stretched out too.
Here,
Oh, he's running away from us.
Get him, Charlotte. Get him. He's getting close.
Oh.
It's in the grass!
Uh-oh, there's another one.
Where?
Sikuwa nataka ingie, niko nataka irudi hivyo muone.
Lakini hajaingia.
Asi huyu.
Is it going underneath the car?
Yeah, it's going underneath the car. It's gonna pop up right under here. Ooh, it's climbing the tire.
Wait, is it actually?
No, he's just. Dad is pulling your leg,
Let's pass
okay?
away.
Well, so it has not come through yet. No.
Okay, he's hiding under the
So
car.
the problem is it's under.
Amepita. Acha nirudi.
That one will run this thing over.
Where is it?
Sikuwa nataka ingie.
Did it climb up on the top of us?
Yes. No, he's in the grass. I think he went out the front first. No.
Here I exchange.
Okay, I thought you probably said I'm on this side.
I don't know what
Oh, wait,
that is.
still on.
But it's not
Anyway,
planned.
Yeah, I was thinking that myself.
It almost smells like thyme, but not.
snakes do